This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath waterfront home located in highly sought-after West Belvedere. Extensive renovations and upgrades have been made over the last 5 years to this solid brick home, including a new dock west/boat lift, 2022 new patio, 2022 new roof, 2021 new gutters, 2021 completely renovated kitchen and bathroom, 2020 new HVAC, 2020 tankless water heater, 2020. Other notable features include 2 first-floor bedrooms and a full bath, a massive 4-season room west/walls of glass, allowing unobstructed views of the river, and a large second-story west/2 well-proportioned bedrooms, a tastefully updated full bath and a bonus room. For more information, review the details below.